Harvey the Rabbit's Garden. In a small town of animals lived a rabbit named Harvey. Harvey loved carrots, cucumbers, lettuce and broccoli. He often visited farmers' markets to buy his favourite vegetables. One day, Harvey decided to grow his own vegetables in his backyard and stop going to the farmer's market. But the little rabbit didn't know anything about gardening or how to grow vegetables at all. He decided to learn about gardening and went to the library to find a book about growing vegetables. He borrowed the book from the library and continued reading it at home. When Harvey returned to his house, he saw his neighbour, Benjamin the dog. Benjamin lived next door and had a huge well next to his house. "What are you up to this evening, Harvey?" asked Benjamin. "I want to learn how to grow vegetables," eagerly replied Harvey, and showed his neighbour the book. Benjamin smiled at Harvey and offered his help. The little rabbit was more than happy, because Benjamin the dog was an experienced gardener. First thing in the morning, Harvey and Benjamin started ploughing the soil. A little red hen named Maple heard the noises and decided to help out the neighbours. "Does this soil have worms?" "I've heard that soil needs to have worms to grow healthy and steady plants." Harvey wasn't sure if the soil had worms. Maple offered help and called her little chicks to bring worms from their garden. Soon, 3 little yellow chicks were running towards Harvey's garden with worms in their beaks. They put the worms in the soil and got ready to spread the seeds. Harvey bought carrot seeds, cucumber seeds, broccoli and cabbage seeds. As he opened the seed packages, his friend, Fred the mouse, came out of his little lair. "Hey, Harvey, I can help you spread the seeds around the garden," offered Fred. "I am very fast and careful." Fred ran through the garden and sowed the seeds completely. Then Benjamin brought some water from his well and watered the newly spread seeds. Every day Harvey would take care of his garden by removing weeds. Benjamin brought water from his well. Fred would scare the caterpillars away from plants, and Maple caught flies. After a few weeks of hard work, the vegetables started growing. Soon they were ready to be harvested. Harvey collected his fresh carrots, cucumbers, cabbages and broccoli and prepared a healthy dinner for his neighbours. "Harvey, you're a wonderful gardener," said Maple. "He's the best gardener in the village," smiled Benjamin. "A truly talented gardener," added Fred. Harvey the rabbit was happy to hear such words and proud of his hard work, but he didn't forget the help he got from his neighbours. "I grew my own garden with the help of my good friends," said Harvey. "Thank you all."